Welcome to the Refhyne project. The Refhyne project will assess and test business models based on existing and future hydrogen applications within the ongoing energy transition. This project will see the deployment of the world's largest PEM electrolyser from ITM Power at Germany's largest refinery, the Rhineland Refinery, operated by Shell. The 10 megawatt electrolyser will generate high-quality hydrogen in an industrial refinery environment. Refineries use a large volume of hydrogen for desulfurization and hydrocracking in the production of fuels. Today, hydrogen is generated partly through processes such as platformers and partly through steam reforming of natural gas. The Refhyne project will examine the economic, technical and environmental impact of the deployment of a large-scale electrolyser in a refinery environment. The electrolyser will enable large-scale hydrogen production based on water and electric power. The electrolyser will generate about 4 tons of hydrogen per day using electricity and water, 1% of the refinery hydrogen usage, and it will replace hydrogen produced from the steam reformer. When based on renewable power, it will result in lower CO2 emissions for the refinery. The electrolyser will be deployed on the Wesseling site of the Rhineland Refinery complex in Cologne, Germany. The on-site location will be fully integrated into the refinery setup close to the grid connection. The chosen site also allows for later expansion. The 10 megawatt stack skid is the heart of the electrolyser. This is where water is split into hydrogen and oxygen gases. Subsystems include power conversion, thermal management, and both water and hydrogen purification, making it a fully integrated system. Refineries are large industrial consumers of hydrogen, a market that the project is very well placed to engage with. It will also assess and test business models based on existing and future hydrogen applications within the ongoing energy transition in Germany. Refhyne is a 5-year project supported by the European Union, which was chosen in a competitive process and formally started in January 2018. In the initial 2 years, the design and permitting will be completed, followed by construction and commissioning of the plant, before operations are expected to start from 2020 onwards. Refhyne's European partner consortium of Shell Deutschland Oil, Shell Energy Europe, ITM Power, Syntef, ThinkStep and Element Energy has secured funds from the European Fuel Cell Hydrogen Joint Undertaking. The project's investment is about €20 million. To find out more about the project, please visit www.refhyne.eu.